Hello, I'm Romina Quiles, a student from Curie Institute in Paris. Today I'm going to talk about two important aspects of evolution, sympatric speciation and gene flow. Speciation is how a new kind of plant or animal species are created, and sympatric speciation is a process where speciation can occur in the same geographical area without any physical barriers between two different populations closely related to each other. We can say, in other words, that it's the development of many similar species in a single habitat, each species with a different specialization as an adaptation to diverse environmental niches. But why specialization evolved? One explanation possible is that two ancestral became sympatric, perhaps because one colonized an island occupied by the other. This is called gene flow, a migration of genetic material from one population to another, which carries genetic variation, and this allows speciation. However, many biologists consider sympatric speciation very difficult to occur because ongoing gene flow can lead to a recombination of the gene pools, reducing differentiation between the two groups.